Corey isn't just a member of the Buildings and Grounds team, but really he's a pillar of excellence here at Franklin Public Schools.
I don't know how to say it better than he's just a very humble leader that believes in serving others to make sure that the system is continuing to grow.
Just in my time with working with Corey, it's become clear that he exemplifies everything you could ask for in Buildings and Grounds professional.
The Custodian and Maintenance Professional of the Year Award acknowledges the outstanding contributions of those who are making a difference to their local school districts, community, and custodial and maintenance profession. Corey Rynders, head custodian at Franklin Public Schools, is being recognized for his 37 years of outstanding service, leadership, and dedication to his school community. Known as Mr. Franklin by students, staff, and families, Corey has built lasting relationships through his kindness, problem-solving skills, and unwavering commitment to maintaining a welcoming environment. His impact goes far beyond his custodial duties, mentoring students, fostering a sense of belonging, and even finding creative ways to support those struggling emotionally. Congratulations, Corey.
So there's no doubt that this award is certainly a milestone, but I believe Corey's greatest accomplishment is the 37 years of dedicated service to Franklin Public Schools. That level of commitment speaks volumes, not just in years, but in the trust and respect that he has built along the way. So you can't ask for much more than that.
He runs a building that has over 1,000 students. And over 100 staff members. And he does a really nice job of knowing who those staff members are and being really customer focused in response to them and making sure they have what they need.
I just want to say, Corey, congratulations on this well-earned recognition. Franklin Public Schools is lucky to have you, and so is the entire profession. So thank you for all you do.
It's humbling to get an award for acknowledgement of the job you do every day. I've been fortunate enough to, work in the community I grew up in. And it was an opportunity to give back to my community, to the school district. It's very humbling, and I'm honored to receive this kind of an award. I'd like to thank, especially Andy Daniels for coming on and being a good role model, Dawn Blymel, Steph Jewell, who were in the nomination process, and then the other 46 members of our team. We've got a great team here. We don't do it alone. It takes a lot of people to maintain these districts and these buildings, and it's an honor to work with those guys too.